Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is September 21st when I'm recording this. Well, we have the day after the FOMC and the market is throwing a hissy fit today. So let's dive into that and show you guys what's up. If you guys are interested into the Moxie indicator and the way that I look at the markets, come on over to simplertrading.com/Moxie. You can check out the trading room for a $7 30-day trial, or you can pick up the Moxie indicator itself if you guys like the way I work with it. All right, so this is what we're seeing. Yeah, kind of a big down day today. And if we look at the internals, I saw it up to about -8 to 1, which is fairly significant. You know, this whole couple of weeks, we've been seeing like -2, maybe like +3 to 1. Really not that much. Today, definitely heavier. And we saw yesterday, we got a little bit of bullishness during the day, and then the FOMC happened. So Jerome Powell spoke, and they did not raise interest rates, but however the market decided to react to the FOMC, we're seeing it today, and you can see it rolled over yesterday, which was giving us a clue as to where today was going to be going. Basically, just there has been no bullish sign, no signal. I've kind of been looking for anything else like that. I've been just kind of waiting in the wings. There's been nothing that has shown up. So, we're just, as far as the long side goes, just nothing happening. Just kind of sitting on our hands for that. Now, one thing I did want to show, if we look at Tesla, I was on the mic in the trading rooms. So again, if you guys are watching this out there on YouTube and anything else, and I remember we had some people on YouTube be like, hey, we would really appreciate if you put these out sooner so that we could actually work with it. It's like, well, this is a free newsletter and this is a free YouTube thing trying to show you guys, how we work with this stuff. And if you want something timely, then you got to come over to the trading rooms, which is where we are, and that we are live on the mic and all that other stuff. And yesterday I was on the mic, and while I was there during my session, I guess some news came out about Elon Musk saying something about full self-driving will be ready in 12 months, whatever the news was. And we had this big spike. Okay, well, there are a couple things that we were able to talk about as to, from a structural standpoint, why that happened or how you could recognize that it happened, and then the news kind of helped push it forward. Great. Now, this would really just be a day trade to the upside because it was FOMC day. Like, anything goes on FOMC, and be careful because once they start talking, the market can react very, very heavily to that. And you can clearly see that then Tesla rolled right back over later that day. Now, even before the FOMC news and all that came out, when this was moving up, I had a lot of people say, hey, what about swing long on Tesla? What about just going long on Tesla overall? And I said, it looks okay from a general perspective, but I said, right here, right now, I'm just not sure about it because I looked here at the Moxie indicator on the 15-minute time frame. I said, this isn't looking great. You see how one of them was above zero, the other was below zero? That's not great. You want them to, and notice the giant space between the two of them. You don't want that. You want the Moxie indicator on the 15-minute time frame when it's a good setup to which they want to be on top of each other so it looks like one line, and you want them to both be above zero. And we didn't get that. So I said, this does not look like a good setup. And I said, definitely into FOMC. I do not want to try going long right into this news event. So hopefully a few people heard me and actually, either didn't do anything based on that or actually got out of their day trade position based on that. And sure enough, you could see it just rolled over. And again, that was partly the market, but it was also partly the Moxie indicator showing you here this was not a good setup on the long side. Now, the other thing for me, if I were in this, even on a swing long position, right here, when price starts to fail the 15-minute 50 in this situation, along with the 15-minute Moxie indicator not looking great, I'm out. It's clearly not working. So that would have been my line in the sand, or at least my stop loss exit, something like that. Anyway, wanted you guys to see that and kind of understand that we talk about these things throughout the day. I make a lot of posts. I'm on the mic throughout the day. And basically only if you're a subscriber, come on into the rooms and see these things, we'll be able to get that kind of access. So anyway, look forward to seeing you guys when you come into the rooms, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.